Hello and welcome to week 8. For week 8, you will wait until you have received the screencast comments on your drafts to ask questions about the feedback and to be able to start to move towards your final copy. I will be working on those as quickly as possible to get you that feedback well ahead of the last day of the semester when everything's due. In addition, you can look ahead and actually start to do, while you wait for those comments, pieces of the portfolio that is due on the last day of the semester. So you may open up, you can make a copy of this particular document and simply type your responses right into the space below. You've got just a question answer type of assignment where I want you to reflect on the research that you did this semester. So why you chose your topic, what significant thing you learned about your topic, that kind of thing. You'll notice there are 4 of these questions and you're to answer them in 2 or more complete sentences. So like I said, feel free to make a copy and simply answer those questions in the order that they occur. The next thing that you're going to need to turn into your portfolio is a writing process reflection. So beyond the research that you did, how did you evolve over the course of the semester in your writing? So thinking about any pre-writing you did and drafting and revising, how you incorporated that research process, locating, evaluating, incorporating, and synthesizing those sources. What are your strengths? What parts of the research assignment did you struggle with? And what did you learn about rhetoric, research, and writing from this assignment? Now, this one is different. You've got questions here, and these can easily be made into the paragraphs, but this is a 600 to 800 word reflective essay with an intro and body paragraphs and a conclusion. So you're going to take a different approach to answering those questions than you did on the previous reflection on your research process. Now, over the course of the week, you'll notice that the assignments are staggered. Again, that's to get us to that finish line on May 8th, which is the last day of the semester. On May 3rd, you're going to need to complete, and that is a Monday, you're going to need to complete your peer review. So as you've done before, you'll attach your rough draft to a forum post. You'll find another a peer review partner before the end of the day on Monday, and you'll respond by giving them feedback by answering these questions as they pertain to that peer's paper. The next thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to move on to discussion forum number 5. That is a pretty low-key discussion forum. You only need to post once, but you're going to attend our end of the semester virtual pizza party. You can tell me what you would like as far as your order of pizza and your beverage. Add one new thing that you've learned this semester from the readings or assignments, one new thing you learned this semester from your classmates, and how you're going to spend the break before the next semester. So very low key, but just a way to close everything out in a positive, hopefully a positive way. Now we get to the portfolio. And like I said, when I talked about those 2 reflection assignments, you can address uploading into the portfolio in any order that you want. So, sure, there we go. You're going to have 4 things uploaded by Saturday, May 8th at 11:55 p.m. That is your project number 3 rough draft. So I would say as soon as you finish your project number 3 rough draft, before you start to manipulate it after the peer review and after my screencast comments, I would put that into the portfolio, because typically after it's going to change a little bit. You're going to make some revisions. Then you can upload the writing process reflection. Eventually, you're going to need that project 3 final copy and your research project reflection. But again, it does not have to be in this order. You can choose any order, and you can keep uploading as the week goes on. I'm not going to go in to grade them until I know that all 4 of your pieces are in, or we hit May 8th, whichever occurs first. That's it for week 8. But if you have questions as the week goes on, don't hesitate to reach out and ask.